six-sided dice, what is the probability that the sum of the two numbers on the dice will be greater than 10? To be greater than 10, it means that the first dice stand or appears 6, and the second one 5. 5 and 6 and... طب why I'm not going to take 5 and 5? Because 5 and 5 is 10, and he says greater than 10. So it's a 3 out of, which is 1 out of 12. Now, a bag contains 6 red marbles, 4 blue, and 1 green. So what is the total? 11. What is the probability of choosing a marble that is red or green? So I'm going to write the probability of red plus the probability of green. The probability of red is and green. So it's going to be 7 over 11. For number 18, give the probability that a rolled die will show 4 or 5. 4 or 5 is 2 faces to what? Out of 6 faces. So it's 2 out of 6, which is 1 out of 3. Number 19, 2 6-sides rolled. Rolled 2 6-sides mean the out comes out of 36. What the probability that the sum is odd and the number on one of the dice is 3? So let's go back to the net that we draw it. Now, 3 is one of the faces, right? So 3 and 1, the sum is 4. But 3 and 2, the sum is 5. So here's 1. 3 and 3, sum is 6. 3 and 4, sum is 7. 3 and 5, sum is 8. 3 and 6 is 9. So I have 3. Now what about this 3? 3 and 1, sum is 4. But 3 and 2, sum is 5. 3 and 4, 3 and... So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So supposed to be 6 out of 36, which is 1 out of 6. For number 20, a spinner has region numbers from 1 to 15. What is the probability that the spinner will stop on an even or multiples of 3? Let's write what are the even. Even are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, and 12. And from the common, we are taking only 1. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and 10. So it's going to be 10 out of 15 divided by 5, which is 2 out of 3. So the answer is 8. For number 21, a bag contains 21 marbles. 6 are blue, 6 are green, and 1 marble drawing from the bag. 6 and 6 is 12. 12 out of 21 is 9, right? 12 out of 21 is 9. So the number of, I don't know what is the third color, but the number of the rest are 9 different colors. 1 marble is drawing. What is the probability that the marble is not blue? The marble not blue is 1 minus the probability of the blue. And the probability of the blue is 6 out of 21. So 1 minus 6 out of 21 is going to be 15 out of, and 15 out of 21, if you wanted to divide it up and down by 3, is going to be 5 over 7. For the last one, find the probability of having 4 girls, a 4th child family. What's the probability of choosing, or inshallah, having a girl at the first birth? 1 out of 2, because it's a boy or girl. The second one, 1 out of. Third one, 4th one. So 1 out of 2 times 1 out of 2 multiply, it's 1 out of 16. So the answer is